So hi guys, it's morning and I make this little video. Hold on, let me connect to because I don't really know how to draw hands, so I just make it like monsters. Anyway, okay. It is look like I think mine is really perfect on this one, but I think Ikosuke is not Daisy. It's not, and I will do this. Also, I'm not really good at drawing funny humans, but I think there is a lazy one is pretty much cuter than my own one. So I think Clover is really perfect on this one because you know her name Clover and she's cute. Except but she's shy, so I don't really know if that's perfect for you guys. So mean. So hard to miss these people. Lavender and Electro, yay! Sorry if it's not really dark because I don't have a yellow marker. I think Lavender and Electro is really perfect for being various and pictures. Just sorry about that. My mouth is sometimes stuck for one, so my hand. And then cover it's not happening. I mean cover happening. I was trying to do that. Sorry, just this paper is something heavy. Okay then. So come here. So be sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you don't like it, you can dislike it. So, bye guys. Where's my hand? Bye. To the computer. Bye guys.